Tropical storm Imelda, day 3. It's been sitting on the Texas coast just spinning, and we're getting the worst of it today, but it's been raining for 3 days. Can't even see the houses across the fairway through the opening. The rain is so hard. Backyard is a pool. It flows around either side of the house, thank goodness. Look at the pool that sits between the two houses. There's a bit of a rise just around the corner, so the water can't flow out as quickly, and it becomes a lake. This is definitely Harvey-esque. Day 3. Wow.